Okay.
You know what challenge you're going to do first?
What are we gonna do?
This one first.
What is this?
The Toro Loco set. And
This is
Toro Loco set.
This is the Toro Loco set.
Yeah, but Toro Loco erase shoes.
Hey Harvey, your room's pretty messy, dude. Isn't it?
Yeah.
We're gonna clean it later.
Watch.
Okay. Wait. Oh! Okay, what numbers did you get?
Up 6, 5, and 4. 6 and 5 and 4.
Okay. You gonna do it again? Okay.
Let me see how I can get to 10.
You got
6, 5, and 4.
good job.
Now, that one, I got 6, 5, and 4, and 3. 8.
Now back it up and see if you can get some different ones.
Well, only the one fits is Toro Loco.
Okay. Let me guess. 6, 5, and 4? Nope, 3, 2.
3 and 4 and 5. Okay. Toro Loco again. Oh, miss.
Oh!
In the one. I had to get to 10. So fireworks can go off. Oh, I got 4 and 3. I got 4 and 3.
What's this toy called?
Toro Loco set.
Toro Loco set. Okay.
Oh, I missed. Oh, this is going to be really good video. Now I have 6, 5, and 4 and 3. I get up to 10. Hey, here's our logo.
Okay, is this the only challenge we're gonna do?
And we have to do all these shows.
Oh, okay.
And the last one is the racetrack.
Oh!
And now I got 5 and 4 and 3.
Got it. Nice.
And Mayo was in this video.
That mango.
Yep.
All right. I think we should go on to the next challenge.
But this one's not done yet.
Okay.
Now I got 5, 4, and 3. Got 5 and 4 and 3. Hey. Rather after welcome done that, we'll do dragon.
Okay. On your mark. Oh. Nice.
Now I got 5, 4, and 3. Now almost up to 10. Outer logo fast. How many see the picture? It says it has to go up. Next I have 5 and 4 and 3. Yeah.
I fixed your choice.
Yeah, Megan's in the video too.
All right. Last time, then we go on to the next challenge. Okay. Oh!
Now, I like this video. Wait, this Outer Loco's done. Then we have to do Dragon Breath. Oh, Dragon Breath goes good.
Which one's that called?
Dragon Breath.
Dragon's Breath. Okay. Nice one.
Ah,
Oh.
that means one. Dragon's breath is done. This one is first. Next is this one. Oh, and I gotta get all the cards. This card is first. The heavy one.
Okay. Let's see.
Whoa! This is going to be the best video in the whole world.
Okay. I think it might be the best video in the whole world. You're right. And oh,
Crash.
crash. You think Daddy could do it? All right, try it. Oh, got it. Nice. Okay, Harvey, you get 4 minutes, and then I gotta stop the video. It can only be 10 minutes long. Okay? Okay, so do the track. One more on the track, then we'll go to the fire station, then we'll go to the hospital. Why don't you do it fast? Nice. Oh, I knocked it over. Sorry. Boom. He's got this track over here. All right, do it again.
This one next. The speed car.
Oh, miss. Oh, yeah, good job.
Last car. Then we had to do the fire station, then we had to do the hospital. And then the racetrack.
Oh, oh,
Last one is 2 and 8.
2 and 8 means 28, right? Oh, miss. Oh, nice. Okay, next challenge. What's next?
The fire station one.
All right, what are you gonna do with that?
This car is we'll put that car in there. We're having a race out of the fire station. Okay.
Okay, now what?
Now they have to race out.
Okay.
Watch open they go.
Let's see him racing out.
Okay. And boom.
Oh!
The yellow car won.
The yellow car won. All right, do that again. Let's see. Gotta give him a rematch. Okay. Oh. Okay, now what?
Now we have to call the fire station. Then we have to do the
Hospital? What are we gonna do at the hospital?
hey. This car's going up the ramp and down. There, he's up there. And here he goes. And then he goes up.
Oh, yeah, that's awesome. Right out there. Cool. Now what?
And the fire station.
Oh, back to the fire station? All right, last challenge is the racetrack challenge. What are we gonna do here?
Go back to the outer logo.
Oh. Well, we're gonna run out of time here, so last one on this one. And and then we'll do the El Toro Loco set again. All right, here it goes. This track's half broken, but that's okay. Oh, do it again. And 1, 2, 3. Boom! Oh, fell off. Try again. Oh. Oh. Oh, hey, my phone's running out of batteries. Gotta say bye to everybody. You gotta do one. Oh, there it goes. Good job. Hey, you gotta say bye to everybody. My phone just said low battery.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for doing the Harvey channel.
Yeah, thanks for coming to Harvey's channel. What else?
And are you coming back on YouTube?
You want to come back on YouTube?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do next time?
We'll make another challenge.
Another challenge? Or maybe we could do a video of you hitting tennis balls. Want to do that?
No, I have a video from Jurassic Park.
Oh, okay. Well, you're pretty good at hitting tennis balls too, so we'll work on that too. All right, so the next one's gonna be Jurassic Park challenge.
Yeah.
All right, say bye, everybody.
Bye.